Should I sell before I buy or vice versa?
There is no universally applicable response to this query. Whether you sell or buy first, there are benefits and drawbacks to both strategies. You must carefully analyze your needs, taste, financial situations, risk tolerance, market conditions, and a host of other factors in order to decide what is best for you. For example, if you decide to buy a new house before selling your old one, you should determine whether it is financially realistic for you. Let's say if you locate a house you want, ask yourself a few questions. Will you be able to afford the deposit? Are you ready with the down payment and the closing charges, including land transfer tax and legal fees? Or are you relying on the equity in your present home? If required, will you be able to handle 2 house mortgages at once? If answer to any of these questions is no, then I would say buying first can be too hazardous for you, and therefore you should choose to start by selling first. By selling your home first, the biggest advantage you get is knowing what you can afford to buy next. If you can't find a suitable property or closing date is later, then you will need a temporary housing for the weeks or months before you take possession of your new one. For my listeners, if you are still unclear whether to buy first or sell first, give me a call at 647-512-2302. I will be happy to assist you based on your unique situation.